Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make white bread. You need 1 cup of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir lightly. Add 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast and set aside. Add 2 cups of plain flour, 2 1/2 tablespoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Add the yeast mixture. Add 3 tablespoons melted butter and mix with a wooden spoon. Transfer on your work surface and knead for 5 to 10 minutes. Oil a bowl and transfer the dough. Oil the dough as well. Cover and let it rise in a warm place for 2 hours or until double in size. Dust the surface and transfer the dough. Lightly roll out the dough just to even out. Seal the edges. Place in a greased tin and lightly flatten the dough out. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 1 hour. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, cover with aluminium foil to avoid the top from burning. While still hot, brush with melted butter and let it cool. If you'd like a soft crust, cover with a damp kitchen towel for 15 to 20 minutes. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.